The old horseback track was once here. Rua Direita, Hipódromo, streets of Macau, northern part of Macau, where horse races were once held. Wow, wow, walking the streets of Macau. Rua Direita, Hipódromo. Walking the streets of Macau, going down Rua Direita, Hipódromo. Just walking the streets of Macau. Walking the streets of Macau. Walking Rua Direita, Hipódromo. Yeah, just walking Rua Direita, Hipódromo.
Okay, this street is called the street of the racetrack, Direita do Hipodromo. Direita, I forget if it's, there's like north, south, east, west, so there's actually a norte and leste, and then Direita, it's not north and it's not sul, it's not south. But anyways, that's what that is, and that's the start of this particular street. We'll give you some context before we walk down it, just to kind of give you a little bit of an idea. This whole area is called Ayonhon, down this way, and then Era Preta, I believe, would be more like this way. And then the racetrack was because there used to be a racetrack, and we'll see what this is in the future. And then straight that way is the Zhuhai border. You can walk across into Zhuhai, China, and this is going to be our target street. So let's put this up on the map so you know exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So there's our street name. That's a cross street. I think we're gonna maybe try to follow through into this a little bit. It's kind of a cool area. It's cool, they're all dressed up. Okay, so this used to be a racetrack called Hipodromo, and then they moved it over to Taipa. So a long time ago, this would have been all in the ocean. Oops. And then they reclaimed all the land, so they put like landfill, not landfill, but they filled it in, reclaimed it from the ocean. Check out those buildings. So tall. And then they built a racetrack. So then I think a lot of British would come over and watch the races over here. I think we had races over there too. But it was quite popular. And later they moved it to Taipa. But this racetrack up here is long gone, but the street names still remain the same. So we still have Hipodromo, which is a racetrack reference. Let's see what this is. Okay. So I'm gonna keep on walking down. I think this area, this is also part of this Ayonhon too. And this is definitely, so let's just keep on walking down. Try waiting for a light right now. So yeah, this is this Ayonhon. There's like a little loop around that goes that way, and then almost all of Ayonhon is down that way. Pretty cool. At the moment we're waiting for this red light, and then we're going to continue down our street. And the border would be approximately around this corner. There's an interesting like church reference. Should be able to go across now. Okay. So we're going to keep on walking down our street. Let's see a Yoho. Okay. So this Hipodromo has a lot of there's used air conditioning units. Gold is going up a lot right now. It's being bought up by China, and there's a lot of stories about it of Macau people. There's one of the casinos here, Golden Dragon, I think. I know the casino, but I don't remember the name. But they melted down their sign to melt down the gold to profit out of the skyrocketing gold prices. Okay, so we'll just keep on going down. It's the Hone Park down that way. And yeah, that just goes up to the border. And we're basically waiting for our green light now. That's all part of our street right there. We got our green light. So we will continue down. So yeah, this is all part of the Hipodromo. Direita do Hipodromo. Got some fruit here. It's kind of a cool little alley or corridor. Okay, so let's keep on going down. Yeah, it's kind of interesting because you have these kind of rain guard stuff. I don't know if that's part of the infrastructure of the racetrack previously. I'm just not sure. There's not much evidence. I don't really see any evidence of it. Just the name stayed. Okay. We'll try to look for evidence here in a moment. So yeah, it looks like it's just, I guess they probably took the racetrack down entirely. Then that's Hone right there. There's a park up that way. And I believe that our street's gonna come to an ending. That looks like super clean. Looks like they cleaned it recently. Some of these buildings are a little bit gray or drab. So I believe this is going to be the end of the street. So this is our particular street right here. And that, I believe, turns into something different, I believe. Let me just follow it around. Worst case scenario is I give you some more context. That's still going, so that's still our sign. You can still see it. Some kind of interesting buildings right in here too. Okay. I can't see. I think this is social housing. I think there's a sign that says like can't see it very well from here. And so that's all part of Hipodromo right there. And then yep, it says Direita do Hipodromo here too. So we're still on our little trek here. And I think it's going to come to an end up here. So I think I'm actually going to come back this way. Let's see. Oops. All those different fruits. Okay. So we're going to keep on moving along. So yeah, we're pretty close to the border. We're like, could walk over there not in just a few minutes actually. Let's see. And I think up there is called Direita. You're walking directly in that direction as well. And Direita is a pretty nice area. I think that means like new area. You translate it. Snowbird Cafe. Snow White Cafe. Okay, so we're gonna come to an ending here. That's our sign. Direita, Hipodromo. And then yeah, that's a really nice part of Macau over there. All those tall buildings. They have some nice communities over there. There's a park that goes all along it, all the way down that way. And then the border goes kind of in that direction over there. And this is actually the, so yeah, this is another Hipodromo street. So we're gonna capture that in a minute as well. So that one says Avenida Leste, and this one is Direita. So I think Leste is east. So the east street of the Hipodromo racetrack. All right, Slice of Macau.